these just came in right here. Should I show them?
Nah. Stay tuned.
Tomorrow, video dropping tomorrow. These might be the sneaker of the damn century. Century.
Ooh, you skipped the decade, went straight to the century.
These are that ooh, don't want to give it too much. All right, video drops tomorrow, guys. Make sure you guys check it out. These are, woo, 10.
Deserve a nice
10. These like 28 pairs, bro. 28 pairs, man.
Double up?
I might have to. It's not a double up. It's just doubling up on the 14 pairs, bro.
That's what I'm saying, man.
Crazy. All right, video drops tomorrow on the channel. Make sure you guys check it out. These are a must-have. All right, so starting off the video with some fire right here. This looks like the workwear jacket that I've been rocking in the videos with the hoodie underneath.
This is pretty much has the same like hue.
Yeah.
And obviously the look down.
Nice boxy fit and everything. 30 bucks too. You cannot beat that.
Shout out to Goodfellow.
Goodfellow is Target's like in-house brand. Really nice cuts and whatnot. Really nice quality.
Black for all seasons, but this one right here is definitely a color that you would rock in the warmer seasons.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What do we got over there? Oh, they have Levi's now. Target has Levi's. And not only that, a nice vintage wash too.
Bro, with the lining, the extra lining,
they are going crazy here at Target. Shout out to Target, man. Springtime affordable essentials. A nice box. Let me try this. Hold on.
Dang, that's a good find right there.
All right, so I just put it on. Quality is fire. I think I would go with the size medium though. Not bad.
Wash is dope though.
Yeah, wash is fire. All right, guys, you've seen in our videos us recommending workwear for that streetwear look, and I think Target has definitely recognized that it is becoming a trend. You can see right here, no longer are you finding the workwear Wrangler cargos at just your traditional, workwear stores. You're getting it here at Target, only $19.99, which is crazy. Color is super nice, relaxed fit. I'm gonna try these on and see how they fit. Fitting rooms are currently closed for the safety of our guests and the team. Okay, with that being said, for you guys, I'm just gonna go try them on the floor. Hold on, let's go find a spot. It's one of the perks of being small, you could just fit between the racks, try on the clothes you need. All right, here, I'm gonna be a little squatter. So really glad that I tried these on. They're a little bit baggier than I was expecting, but that is nothing that a seamstress or a tailor cannot handle. I would just get these right here, bring them in, and I would just have her taper them a tiny bit. But as far as color and how nicely they fit around the thigh, these are a go. All right, guys, that was the Target exclusive trying on in the middle of the floor, only for you guys. Along with Wrangler, they also carry Dickies as well. So if you guys want another brand to look into as far as the workwear goes, they have Dickies, a little bit more expensive than Wrangler. These are $29.99. And as far as the width of them, they look about the same. So at that point, it's just a matter of brand preference. All right, so Tam, what are you looking at?
Okay, so obviously I like to wear layers. So whether it's a light jacket or a flannel jacket, this is like a nice piece right here though. This is something that I feel like
we call this the painter's jacket.
Painter's jacket? It's really lightweight. For 40 bucks, you're kind of getting like good fabric, good cuts, and I love how the pockets are kind of.
I see what you're doing. I see what you're doing.
Kind of got one right here, one right here. I mean,
yeah, for sizing reference, that is a size large. I think a medium would be pretty good. Kind of like a in-betweener, not quite a jacket, not quite like a dress shirt. You know what I mean?
If it was a jacket, I wouldn't wear it in the summertime. But this is nice right here.
Yep, and they have it in this like burnt
taupe color right here.
Yeah, the olive is super clean. I'm feeling the buttons right here. I don't know who needs to hear this, but stay away from the cargo khaki shorts, all right? You're gonna look like you're about to go to the Bahamas or something. Stay away from these type of shorts. Just my advice.
These are dope right here. Sport laces, usually they come in kind of like an oval shape. These are sleepers when it comes to shoelaces, man.
Kind of like the shape of the SB laces, right?
Exactly, but smaller.
Guys, these right here, all right? I know the marketing on them is crazy, the wicking cool comfort fabric, but you already know me and Tan did a review on the white tees from Hanes. These gotta be the worst t-shirts I've ever seen in my life. I know it seems like a good deal. You get 10 of them for 21 bucks. That is insane. But these things feel like, I can't even explain how itchy they are on your skin. Do not get duped into these right here. Damn, they took away your whole hot dog stand and your slushy stand. It used to be right here in the corner, man.
Smell it.
Jeez.
That's why I walked over here. Ices?
Yeah, the ices. It's all gone. What's going on, everybody? Right now, we're gonna be taking a look at the Richie Le Chelsea sneakers, all right? It's been a little while since we talked about these, but we just got in the final product. Super excited about these. I didn't want to leave you guys hanging, so we're gonna get these open right now. And then following that, we got this huge box right here, crazy heavy. Very special announcement, but let's get these open right now and check them out. All right, so we got a nice, I would say semi-glossy box right here, very premium, nice like sheen to it. Richie Le branding right in the front. I see the comments, I see you guys asking about these. I know it's been a while. Like I said, I didn't want to leave you guys hanging. Nice dust bag right here. Wow. Guys, the color, the shape, the tones, immaculate. Made in Portugal. We had to learn about leathers. We had to learn about different suedes. Just that classic, nostalgic leather smell that you would get from a really premium sneaker. My favorite part about them has to be the leather insole right here with the Richie Le branding. I mean, to have, this isn't, you know, like a collab or anything. This is a real sneaker made from scratch. Like, this is crazy to see this in person right here. So yeah, we have no concrete release on these yet, but we just wanted to keep you guys updated so you guys are in the loop. But the Richie Le Chelsea sneakers right here, crazy. All right, so we got this right here. Huge shout out to KIWI for sending this over. I'm super excited to announce I am officially a KIWI ambassador, all right? Let's get this open and I'll talk about all the details. This is my first time seeing this. I have no idea. Wow. Guys, this is crazy. They said they were gonna send something special over. All right, let me show you guys what I'm looking at. Oh. Guys, are you seeing this? KIWI, Richie Le branding. Okay, hold on. Gotta stand up for this one. Wow, this is insane. So like I said earlier, I am officially a KIWI ambassador. We're gonna be working together on a lot of products. So what I really like about what they are basically getting across is, you know, embracing life. You know, you don't have to keep your sneakers super crisp and pristine, but you could at least protect them while you are going through the adventures of life. Hi, Richie. We love your passion for fashion. Because the more importantly, we love your life. It is time for more journey making, more sneaker living, and more sneakers well worn. You guys know how I feel about wearing our sneakers. We wear our sneakers heavy. This packaging is absolutely insane. There's even a mirror on the side right here if you want to check out the work you're doing and everything. All right, so we got the sneaker cleaner right here. I don't think we need to apply this on these sneakers since they are brand new, but this is super important. And this right here, we got the sneaker protector, all right? Helps shoes last longer. Invisible shield that creates protection against water, snow, dirt. Being from Seattle, you have to have something like this. So I'm definitely gonna apply it to these right here. All right, so we just applied the sneaker protector. All right, so this one right here, this is crucial. You guys know I used to live in the apartment with all the guys, small cramped space, a lot of sneaky feet. So what you will do, the sneaker deodorizer, right? You got just same concept for down here. We used to have this rule, after you do any activity and you put your shoes away, you gotta spray your sneakers down, all right? So what you will do is stick the deodorant right here like so. And then you're gonna press right on the bottom of the heel. Let's see if we can hear the action. 2 to 3, wow. That smells incredible. With the leather from Porch, come on now. We're ready to go. If you get the Chelsea sneakers, you gotta get the deodorant and the protector and the cleaner. It is mandatory, holy. All right, guys, huge shout out to KIWI once again for sending over this package. You guys are gonna see a lot of content from us coming up. Hit that link in the description box below to check out these 3 items right here, along with a lot of other items that they have developed. Trust me, guys, they're doing some really special stuff. I love what they stand for. Basically embracing the adventures of life with peace of mind, if you were to ask me. So yeah, make sure you guys hit that link in the description box below. I'll catch you guys next time. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Johnny, I gotta get your take. What is your opinion on the whole thing right now, man?
Let's just say it's been a long time since I've been able to get anything from retail. Okay, so a lot of things I do get,
talking it. Let them know.
So if the people don't mind rocking, I'm not gonna say fakes, but UAs.
UAs,
unauthorized pairs. Who really wants to spend thousands of dollars for the same shoe? Most of the time, who's really going to ask you if they're real or not? If you can pull it off, right?
Yeah.
Don't be surprised if your favorite millionaires out there are rocking UAs, bro.
Hey, you hear all the rappers? They got fake chains.
Exactly.
Chains.
What makes you think that they're going to spend money on some shoes?
Yeah, I was also thinking about it, man. When I was on the sneakers app, I was like, I can't even get the real pairs. They're making it. I can't even get the real pairs. So what do you want me to do?
The Travis Scott ones ruined it for me when we were in China, because I could not tell when everyone was wearing it. I was like, all right, man, we're at a sneaker event in China. You're a little skeptical, but there's a little too many of you guys that have too many pairs.
They were everywhere.
So you don't know what's real and what's not. And even after StockX had their thing where they couldn't even tell if it was real or not.
Yeah.
Man. You can't convince me that UA might not be.
For sure. So huge shout out to Soul Sneakers. He just pulled up, brought the white Kobe Bruce Lee's right here. You do not see these too often, man.
Correct. Those black and yellow joints are obviously iconic because of the colorway. But come on, man, you know the 3 slashes.
The white's pretty clean right here. Huge shout out to Soul Sneakers. What are your thoughts on fakes going on right now as a reseller?
If you like it, you like it. But at the end of the day, do not pass them off as real when you're selling them.
That's like the bottom line, right? It's probably pretty hard for you right now with like, you just brought these in right here.
These smell real.
So what are you gonna do? Are you gonna get your money back?
Yeah, he already gave me the money back.
Okay, that's cool. And then I had to get another pair of these. I sold them. Guys, these gotta be the easiest sneakers to rock, man.
You love these.
I do. I wore the crap out of the white ones, and I was like, man.
I don't think you even have the white ones anymore. You don't even know where they're at.
I don't know where they're at. I think
wore them so much they disappeared.
I think they might be in Hawaii. All right, man. Huge shout out to Soul Sneakers. Make sure you guys check out his IG right here. Definitely really reputable, legit reseller. Always bringing that fire. Check him out.